Hey there, Will Skinner here, and I wanted to go over how to optimize your videos for making sure they're going to be shown on any type of mobile devices or anything like that. This is very important. You want to make sure all your videos are optimized and rendered correctly so that when people are viewing with mobile devices and not their desktop computers, they're able to see the video clearly, it's able to download fast, just like they were on their desktop or laptop. So what we want to do is we want to get a little program called Handbrake. Now all you gotta do is go over here to this URL, handbrake.fr. I'll put this link below the video, and you just go here and you click on the download Handbrake 0.9.9. Now I've already downloaded it, but when you do, it'll click on here, it'll go to another page, it'll say your download will start, and it'll just download it right to your downloaded files. Okay, you open it up and you install the program just like you would install any other piece of software. Very simple. So now we'll go into the software here. This is Handbrake. It's a video rendering and optimization tool. It's free of charge. It's a great tool to have. I recommend getting it if you don't have it. So first thing you want to do is go over here to your source. You go open folder. Now whatever program you've created your videos with, either Camtasia or GIMP or what other type of software is out there. I used Camtasia. So I'm just going to come down to the folder that I created where I put my video in and just click on that and say select folder. Now it's going to show you right here that this is the video mobile device optimization sample. Okay, video is 11 seconds. So the next thing you want to do is find the destination folder you want this video to render to. So I'm going to put it in the same folder, so it's just going to be the same folder. You know, you can organize it however you feel like it. So, and then I'm going to name it. It's going to be named something different so we know which one's the final. So I'm going to go mobile. And whenever you're making videos and you want to optimize them for SEO or anything like that, when you're naming your video, make sure to include your keyword that you want to be ranking that video for, or the article for as well, that you're putting the video in. So I'm not really trying to rank this one, but if I wanted to, I would say mobile, I would probably say video optimization for mobile devices. I'm not sure if that keyword searched. I'd have to do my keywords research obviously, but you want to make sure you're naming your videos so they're optimized for your keywords as well. Okay, so I'm just going to say save. So now it's going to save that video here. Alright, now the next section we want to go to is make sure we click iPhone and iPod Touch. Okay, now this is going to make sure, this is iPhone and iPod Touch, it says, but that's actually optimizing it for every Apple and Android system there is. Even though it says Android down here and Android tablet down here, this will do it for everything. Because basically, if you optimize for an iPhone or anything Apple, you're optimizing as well for your Android market. Okay? So, we clicked on iPhone, iPod Touch. You want to make sure the container says MP4. You want to come over here and select Web Optimized. Okay? So, Web Optimized. Just Web Optimized. Picture. Now, you want to make it however big you want. Whenever I save a file or create a video, I make that video as big as possible. So right now it's at 1280 by 78. Now we want to make it the size that we're going to view it on our website. So our width will be we'll go 700, 720 is usually about where I like to be. Okay, so it's going to be 721 by 406. That's your display size. That's what it's going to show down here. Okay, you can keep this the same. Okay, this is going to be the same. Filters, don't really need to worry about these. If once you get the program, you kind of mess around with them. I'm just showing you how to make sure it's optimized so you can see it, so a viewer can see this video on any type of device you're using. Okay, your video here. This all looks good here. 22 RF, that's what we're looking for. Over here at average bit rate, we're not going to worry about that. Okay, so just make it constant quality. 22 RF, good. Frame rate, we want to be, let's see, where is that? I like to just do same as source on the frame rate, because usually whenever you're creating your video, you're creating it with a program that's going to make your correct frame rate. So if you don't want to mess with any of these and you don't feel comfortable with it, just make it same as source. But if you do feel comfortable with it and you understand them, I like to go about 15. Okay, so we're going to go about same as source. Okay, a little variable frame rate. Alright, so when people are viewing it on different devices, it's going to play back correctly. Alright, so none of this other stuff really needs to be changed here. Audio, want to make sure your bit rate's at 128. Okay, your source is going to be English unless you're in a different country. You know, you got different options here. Now subtitles, don't really need to worry about this for optimization, but you can add subtitles, which are nice for YouTube videos. People really like subtitles, but you can add them here. Chapters we don't need to worry about, and then advanced, it's all preset, so we're not worried about any of that. Okay, so next thing we need to do here is we're ready to go. We just want to press start. So that's all we had to do. We don't need to worry about any of this other stuff. Once you get the program, you can look into it, but this video now is optimized to be seen by any mobile device out there, plus desktops and laptops. So we just press start. You finished, and like I said, I saved the thing to the same folder I had it originally, so I'm going to go right in here in my mobile device folder, and my new video is video optimization for mobile devices. That's my optimized video, and here it is. And that's all you have to do. So now that you know, it's very easy. So don't be scared. Make sure you're optimizing all your videos for mobile devices, as it is a mobile world. Thank you, and I hope this helped you out. Talk to you soon.